guys, thank you very much for visiting my channel and viewing my another tech tutorial video. Today I'll show you how you can open a quick edit notepad on any web browser which is platform independent, which means you can either open that notepad on your Chrome web browser or Firefox or Safari or any other web browser. So what we need to do is you need to go on this website, which is my blog. It's www.trivedia.in/blog. I'll put the link in the description below so it's easy for you to go directly on the blog page. Then what you need to do is, once you're on that blog, you need to scroll down a bit and you will see the first post that I wrote, which says open a quick edit notepad on any web browser. You need to just click on that. Now you can see there's a code here. You just need to copy that code. You can either do Command C if you're using Mac or Control C if you're using Windows, or you can directly even copy that by right clicking and copy. After copying this code or these tags, you need to open a new tab. You can paste it and press enter. You will see a blank page which is your notepad. So you can type whatever you want to type, like a quick edit. So let's say I want to type you can also even format your text. So let's say if I want to make my name bold, you can use exactly the same way like you do on MS Word, Microsoft Word. I can make italic, and once I'm happy what I have to write, I can even save this notepad file. So what I need to do is, in my case I'm using Chrome. It can be Safari or Firefox in your case. The step will be same. Just click on file and then I can save page as whatever name you would like. You can save that page and then you can open it later. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram and also on Twitter. And thank you for watching again, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.